Dear students and educators, a warm welcome from the Youth Ideathon team 2025. In this video, we are going to walk you through the entire process of how you can successfully submit an innovative idea on our official Youth Ideathon portal. We will be sharing a step-by-step screen guide so it's a better understanding for all of us. Let's get started. So here I'm going to share my screen. I hope the screen is visible. So here, firstly, you have to write Youth Ideathon and you have to just simply click School Youth Ideathon. This page will pop up. And here you have to just go through submit your idea. Then this submit your idea page will pop up. Here you have to select basic team information. Here select a state. You have to just simply select a state. So then select a city. I'm just writing over here Delhi. If your city is not mentioning over here, just go with other. Then set a school. So here, if the school name is not in the sheet, go and other and just simply write your school name. Then please select your category. Here, junior class is class 4th to 7th and senior one will be 8th to 12th. So I'm just selecting 8th to 12th. Now the main part, participation type. Here you have to select, if you're an individual, just select individual. And if the team, then select team. I'm just selecting individual. Here, the team leader name will be your email ID, then your phone number. After that, your parent number. Firstly, parent name, then parent email, then parent phone number as well. Class of team leader, here you have to select your standard. I'm just selecting 9th. Gender, female. Then you have to go with next, and the next tab will open. Here you have to select where did you get this idea. So there will be multiple options. You have to select this one only. Then what is the stage of your idea? Just select your stage. I will be selecting design. Then if you had all the resources 3 years from now, how many people would be using your solution? So just simply select according to you. I'm just selecting 1 lakh. Then please select your idea theme. You have to select your idea theme from these multiple options. I'm just selecting make for the planet. Then why is it a great idea? You have to just simply select one option. It is very innovative. You have to describe it in 300 characters. Like I'm just saying, it is very innovative. You have to describe it max 300 words. Okay. Then has the idea won any awards? If yes, then take one of them. I'm just selecting Youth Ideathon 2024. So the main question is referred by if any. In this, you have to tell the name of the ambassador, student ambassador, if there is a name who is just referring your name. Okay, so you have to just write the student ambassador name over here. I'm just writing Sana. Then my school teacher mentor name will be the mail ID. Then the again mentor mobile number, organization or school of mentor. So I'm just writing organization name simply, and I am just agree on this. Then the next page. I just selected individual. If I selected team, then the third one is for the team. You have to select the team members, like team member name, team member 1 email address, and team member 1 phone number. Then the parent details again. So this is you have to do if you're coming with the team, and those who are just coming individually, you have to just skip this entire page and then this submit your idea. It is that simple. It is submitted. and this page will come. Your idea has been submitted successfully. We have received your entry and are excited to see your version. Thank you. This is the whole process you have to follow to submit your idea.